right, everyone ready?
Yeah.
Time for flight.
I heard running. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Matt just showed up. All the guys are here. We've got the engine, trans, exhaust. Cassidy's doggo. We're gonna make it all happen right here in the pits of the Zip Tie Drags.
This is why we can't have nice things.
No, but it's 11:15.
What a fucking weird time to shut the lights off.
Matt's wearing his safety sandals about 3 feet from where we're running a welder. Pretty roadkill.
It's amazing how our body tells.
Motors in. Passenger side manifold is a 5th gen Camaro. Driver's side is the factory truck manifold with a relocated collector we welded on to get around the steering box. But the whole thing just went right in. Dirty Dingo gave us the engine mounts, and it literally just welded right to the existing K member. You can see in there. Those things work awesome and they're slotted, so they just fit right in. Adjusted the trans mount and We'll be making a pass today with any luck. Looking at the F-Bum Camaro, this thing hit a wall last night, backwards. Guy in front of him dropped a freeze plug, sprayed down the track with coolant, and the officials didn't realize it. So he hit that going about 100, looped the car, came into the left lane, hit the wall backwards, and still won the race. Chris Birdsong made it, and he's not in a Charger today. That's amazing. So where'd you drive this thing from, man?
Basically Knoxville, Tennessee.
Jeez. You changed out the rear gears?
Yeah.
Like 3 fuel pumps?
3 gears, 3 fuel pumps, alternator, voltage regulator.
Jeez.
C clutch.
That's bananas, man.
All on route.
Yeah.
All right, so they're running the zip tie drags, 3K Hoopty Challenge right now. We're a handful of wires, I think a power steering line, a couple other items away from running this car down the track, hopefully. We're going to go find Richard after he runs the F-Bump and hopefully slam this thing together, make a pass down the track, and then send it all the way back to California.
He's lying.
He doesn't know. We're going to make it. We're going to make this happen tonight. One day LS swap. It can be done.
Tonight, even though it was 2 days.
I mean, it really started at 8 p.m. yesterday. It's technically only been 22 hours.
Okay. He's right.
I'm right. You heard it here first.
Chris's face is still down there, and this may catch on fire.
Oh, no. That's a spark. John. John.
I mean,
Quit saying fire.
this definitely
You're gonna
won't.
piss- you're gonna
Everything
piss
good is
everybody
gonna
off,
happen.
dude.
Does somebody want to take the open ATF off the fender? Yeah, let's dump something flammable all over it.
You already cut the ground on fire once.
We have, well, not we.
We're gonna do this.
That was Amos.
All right,
He's on.
try it.
All right, everyone, you ready?
Time for fire.
I heard running. Okay, ready? Yeah. Go ahead again. No, I'm doing that.
Just leave the key on. The Mustang is running and it's staging to race 10 minutes after we got it to run. He's racing Josh in his wagon. Josh is Killer Caprice. He's been working with us all night. Woo! That is a burnout. We're boogieing. What's the ET? What's the ET?
He's pulling him. He's pulling him. Nah, you ain't gonna get it.